So welcome for today's class of mathematics. Today's topic is operation on numbers. Okay, so let us start. So write down operation on numbers. This will be the chapter 2. Okay, so let us see the introduction part first. Operation on numbers. In the previous chapter we have studied about numbers, right? I have already uploaded the video on that you all can see way of numeration and some properties of numbers in this chapter. Okay, so in this chapter what we are going to study, operation on numbers like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are 4 basic arithmetic operations. Let us know about them. So first let us discuss about the addition. Under the operation of addition, 2 or more than 2 numbers are added with which other. So example, we have, if we add these 2 numbers, we get this answer. Okay, we have to add these numbers. Okay, then one more example is there. There are again 2 numbers which are given and you will get a specific solution. I hope you all know how to add. If you all don't know anything to add from this, you all can tell me in the comment section. So next part is about the subtraction. So under the operation of subtraction, difference between 2 numbers is to be calculated. Okay, like example, subtract 2 3 4 4 9 5 and 8 7 4 4 5 6 5 3. So you'll have to subtract this. You'll have to put minus sign, this minus this, and you will get a specific solution for this. Okay, I hope you all know how to subtract. Next, moving towards one more example, subtract these 2 numbers and you will get a specific solution. So next is the multiplication. When a number is added to itself for a number of times, the process of addition becomes bigger and lengthy. Therefore, a shortcut method was developed to perform such additions called multiplication. Thus, multiplication is a short method of repeated addition. Okay, of repeated addition. The example you all have is a number is given, 2 numbers are given, right? You will have to multiply these numbers and you will get a specific solution. Same way again, how they asked, example, find a product of 2 numbers, means you will have product means you will have to multiply and you will get a solution. After multiplying you will get this solution. Okay, next moving towards the next one, that is division. Division is the distribution of a quantity into some parts in such a way so that each of the part contains equal amount. Example, divide this number is given, big number, by 25. You will have to divide this number by 25 and you will get a specific solution. Okay, next moving towards the next part, one more example is given. You will have to divide this number by 58 and find a remainder. So you'll have to, so this is the division. Okay, I hope you all know how to divide. And the remainder means the last remaining part, that is 42. So remainder you'll have to write down as 42. So I hope you all have understood this chapter 2. Okay, if you all have not understood how to add or multiply, subtract, division, so you all can comment below. I will be providing you all. I will be explaining you all how to divide and all. So don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Press the bell icon for more updates. Till now you all can take down all this information.